Okay, good morning children. So in the previous classes we have completed up to exercise 3.1 first Roman, first term and second term, third term I gave the homework, fourth term I told. Okay, now fifth term you can do homework, sixth term I will tell you. Okay, 8 0 0 5 5 2. Okay, so what is the given number children? Given 800,552. 8,552 is given. Now, is it divisible by 2 children? Yes. Why? Because in the ones place is 2 is there. So, 2 is divisible by 2. Okay. So, this number is divisible by 2. So, therefore, 8,552 is divisible by 2 because in the ones place is 2. So that's why it is divisible by 2. Next, it is divisible by 3 children. What you can do? Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits do 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Okay, 20. Can you write like this? 2 plus 0, how much? 2. 2 is divisible by 3 children. 2 is a multiple of 3. No, is not multiple of 3. Is not multiple of 3. So therefore, 8,552 is not divisible by 3. Okay, 8,552 is not divisible by 3. Now, is it divisible by 6 children? What is the rule for divisibility by 6? If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then that number is divisible by 6. But here it is divisible by 2 only, but it is not divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 6. Okay. So therefore 8,552 is not divisible by 6 because it is not divisible by 3. Did you understand now? What is the divisibility by 2 rule? In the units place, there is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 is there, means then that number is divisible by 2. And what is the divisibility by 3 rule? You can do the sum of the digits. We will get the answer. That answer is a multiple of 3 or not, you have to check it. That multiple of 3 is that number is multiple of 3, then that number is divisible by 3. Here say 2 is get. 2 is not a multiple of 3. So it is not divisible by 3. Okay. Next, divisibility by 6. What is the rule? The number is divisible by both 2 and 2, then that number is divisible by 6. But here it is divisible by 2 only, not divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 6. Okay, ma? Right. Now see the second question, children. Determine, you can do homework, first Roman, fifth one, seventh one, eighth one, you can do homework, children. Now see the second question. Determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 5 and by 10. Here some numbers are given. Check whether the numbers that are divisible by 10 are divisible by 2 and 5. Okay. So what are the numbers given here, children? Given 25, 125, 250, 1250, 10,205, 70,985, 45,880. So these are the numbers given. Among these numbers, which are divisible by 5 and which are divisible by 10? What is the divisibility rule by 5, children? What is the divisibility rule by 5? Yes. The number having 5 or 0 in the ones place, those numbers are divisible by 5. And divisibility by 10, the numbers which are having 0 in the ones place, those numbers are divisible by 10. Okay. Now, divisibility by 5. What are the numbers? What are those numbers? Divisibility by 5. Here first number 25 in the ones plus 5 is there. So it is divisible by 5. 125 here in the ones plus 5 is there. So it is divisible by 5. Next 250 in the ones place here 0. So it is divisible by 5. 250. Next 1250 in the ones place here 0. It is also divisible by 5. And 10,205 in the ones place here 5. So it is also divisible by 5. Next 70,985 in the ones place it is 5. So it is also divisible by 5. Next 45,880 in the ones place here 0 is there. It is also divisible by 5. So all the numbers are divisible by 5. Next, divisibility by 10. What are those numbers divisibility by 10? So the number having 0 in the ones place, that number is divisible by 10. What are those numbers here? 25. Units place 5 is there. So it is not divisible by 10. This one also not divisible. 250. Ones place 0 is there. So it is divisible by 10. 250. And next 1250. Next 45,880. So these three numbers are divisible by 10. Okay, children. Next, what is another question? Check whether the numbers that are divisible by 10 are divisible by 2 and 5. Check here. In the ones place here 250, ones place is 0. 0 is there means it is divisible by 5. And it is divisible by 2 also. Why? Because what is the divisibility rule of by 2? In the ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are there means those numbers are divisible by 2. Okay, so it is divisible by 2 and 5 also. And next 1250. This one also divisible by 2 and 5. This one also divisible by 2 and 5. Okay. So 250, 1250, 45,880 are divisible by both 2 and 5. Because what is the reason? Because in the ones place is 0. Ones place is 0 in those numbers. Among those numbers. Among those numbers. Okay, children? Right. Next, see the children. Third question. Make three different three-digit numbers using 2, 3, 4, where each digit can be used only once. Check which of these numbers is divisible by 9. Okay, ma? So here three digits are there. So you can use those three digits. Okay, you can write three different three-digit numbers. What are the digits given, children? Given 2, 3, 4. You can make three different three-digit numbers using three digits. Okay, how can you write? Tell me. 234 and next 324 and next 432. Can you write like that? So make three different three-digit numbers. 234, 324, 432. Next, check which of these numbers is divisible by 9. Okay, these numbers are divisible by 9 or not. How can you check it, children? You can check it as sum of the digits. Sum of the digits equal to sum of the digits at 2 plus 3 plus 4. How much 2 plus 3? 5. 5 plus 4? 9. Is divisible by 9? Yes, 9 1 9 no. So it is divisible by 9. Is divisible by 9. Next, this one also. Sum of the digits equal to 3 plus 2 plus 4. How much? 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Same answer. It is divisible by 9. Is divisible by 9. Next, 432. Again, this one also. Sum of the digits equal to 4 plus 3 plus 2. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Is divisible by 9. So therefore all three digits are divisible by 9. Okay, right. So therefore all two hundred and 324, 432 are divisible by 9. Okay, children, did you understand now? Come on, write. To the next question, children. Write different two-digit numbers using digits 5, 6, 7. Check whether these numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6 and 9. So you have to write two-digit numbers using the digits 5, 6, 7. So what are given here? Given digits are 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now you have to use these digits. You have to write two-digit numbers. Okay. So the numbers the two-digit numbers, right? The two-digit numbers using 5, 6, 7 are. Tell me. You can use these three digits. You can write two-digit numbers. What are those? First one 56. Next 57. Next 65. Next 67. Next 75. Next 76. Okay, ma? Now you can try. You will get how many numbers? 6 numbers again. Okay, now you can check whether these numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6 and 9. Okay. So first, what is the number you are taking? 56. 56 is divisible by 2, children? Yes. Why? Because in the ones place is here 6. So it is divisible by 6. So 56 is divisible by 2. 56 is divisible by 2. And next it is divisible by 3. Check it. What is the rule? You can add digits. Okay, 5 plus 6 equal to how much? 11. 11 is a how can you write 1 plus 1? 2. 2 is a multiple of 3, children? No. So it is not divisible by 3. Is not multiple of 3. So it is not divisible by 3. Next one is 5. Is it divisible by 5, children? What is the rule for 5? In the ones place it is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. But here in the ones place no 0, no 5. So it is not divisible by 5. It is not divisible by 5. And next 6. What is the rule? 6 rule is it is not divisible by 3. What is the divisibility rule by 6, children? The number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. But here it is divisible by 2 only, not divisible by 3. So it is not divisible by 6. It is not divisible by 6. Okay, next one 9. Is it divisible by 9? Here we are adding now. How much? 5 plus 6, 11, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 is a multiple. 2 is divisible by 9? No. So it is not divisible by 9. Okay, children? Like that you can do remaining numbers. 57. Do 57. So 57 is divisible by 2, children? No. Why? Because in the ones place it is 7. It is not divisible by 2. So it is not divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 2. Next, 3. It is divisible by 3. 5 plus 7. How much? 5 plus 7. 12. 1 plus 2. 3. Yes, it is divisible by 3. It is multiple of 3. So, it is divisible by 3. Next, it is divisible by 6. Sorry, 5. Yes, 5. It is divisible by 5. In the ones place it is 7. In the ones place it is 7. So, it is not divisible by. It is not divisible by 5. Why? Because here in the ones place it is 7. So, it is not divisible. It is not divisible by 5. And next, it is divisible by 6. No. Why? Because it is not divisible by 2. It is divisible only 3. So, it is not divisible by 6. It is not divisible by 6. And next 9. Is it divisible by 9? Check here already we are done now. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 is a multiple of 12 is a divisible by 9? No. So it is not divisible by 9. It is not divisible by 9. Okay, children? Right. Like that you can do remaining numbers also. Okay? Come on, do. Children, here we have completed 57, 56 and 57. And remaining numbers is there, no? 65, 67, 75, 76. We can do homework. In CW only you can do homework. Okay, children? You can use the place for 65, 67, 75, 76. In CW only you can do. You can use the place in CW for one place. I think it is enough. Okay. After this, next question, right? Fifth question. You can use the place and write the fifth question in CW.